So rather ironically, another round of debates have been ongoing about the state of our sports facilities in Jamaica. And in the midst of these discussions emerges the information that at least one prominent sporting body was presented with a sponsorship proposal from a big sportswear company. And this proposal included a component of $250,000 US, the equivalent of about 40 million Jamaican dollars per year for 8 years for maintenance and construction of facilities. That is $250,000 US every year for 8 years. Total of $2 million US or over 300 million Jamaican dollars over 8 years for the same infrastructure, creation and maintenance that we so desperately need for places like the Montego Bay Stadium, Trelawney Multipurpose, and even the Mecca, the National Stadium. And this was an initial offer. No negotiations took place for this single component of this overall proposal. And the sporting body in question, go figure, go figure, go figure.